how to set up an email notification for new entry in Google Forms. So you can set up a email notification in Google Form, and every time you get a new entry, you will get an email into your inbox. So let's get started. So let's go to the website drive.google.com, and here you can see that you can set up a new form by clicking new and going to the Google form, and you can set up a form. You can create a form up here. I have a separate video on that one up here, but in this video we will just only to focus on how to trigger an email after you have set up a form. So we are going into the form. This form is already open, so we can click up here response, and so we don't have any responses setting. So after that we can see response. Let's see, send response a copy of the response and require collect email. So we can set up a collect email addresses on our site. We will have email, and then the person who's filling the form also will get this. We don't want to do that. Let's see, limit one response will be required to sign into Google. So we are making them sign into the Google when they response. So these are the options are related to that, but there is another option that we can go to the question up here, response, and here is some icon up here, small icon. It's called create sheet spreadsheet. So I'm going to click on this one up here. It will create a new spreadsheet for Google Form. So all of your entries will be stored in separate files. So let's create this up here. So this file is created on your Google Drive. So after that, this file is created. So let's get back to this one up here. And responses, we can select option up here. Get email notification for new responses. So you can set this up, and so every time somebody who enter entry into this up here, you will get an email notification. So email notification is enabled now. So every time somebody is entering a form and they're filling out this form that you are sending them this to them, email notification will go to your inbox and you will get a copy of this that somebody is entering the form. So if you're getting a lot of responses, I would recommend not to do that because you will get a lot of emails, but that's the way how do you set up email notification for this one up here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. And there is another way of doing it by adding some add-ons, but that is the easiest and fastest way of doing this. And please check out other related video, Google form video on this channel. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye.